Ethereum could potentially reach 200,000. Crazy, right? Well, it's gonna be 180,000. Let me show you the article explaining this. Some of you guys be on here just bullshitting, just saying things like, "Why do you listen to women?" or judging. Like we've had every single like judgment, bad comment, like on TikTok, everywhere. So it's just got to the point where I'm now here just giving it to you guys, like, so you can see the proof in the pudding when we do get the results as well. So there is a backlog seeing this stuff happen, So this is what it is, guys, and I'm still on a journey to becoming a pro footballer. So at this time right now, I'm just taking it easy, okay? So anyway, for us as a company, Aim for Billions, what there is in the bio is a six-figure cheat guide that will guide you towards your first few 6 7 figures. It's a six figures cheat guide, but you can make 7 figures and beyond, right? With that cheat guide, literally you guys are out here spending 200, 300, 500 pounds on just going out or seeing a girl, and you don't want to spend literally chump change of that to make 7 figures, 6 figures guaranteed. Nah, man, you guys ain't making sense. It doesn't add up, you lot. So go check that down in the bio. There's a mentorship program as well for the elites that want to join, because we've got some crazy intellectual property right now that is just gonna blow you guys up. If you work for a private equity firm, or you're the founder or the owner and you happen to come across our videos, welcome. Or you're not welcome to playing. We're gonna actually be making our own hedge fund. We already got it in the works anyway, and we've got clients on board. So it's something that we're gonna go through the process of getting our office, broader horizons to FX and stuff, although this is crypto based. But we are going to do all of that, and when we go on to FX, it's going to be much easier, because we're going to have brokers working for our company that are trustworthy and they know what they're doing. They've been studying that analysis is like for, excuse my words, for years. So they know exactly what they're doing, and these people are experts in what they do. So if you guys are getting involved, then we are the same. We turn 100 into 1.8k from Sidus beginning of the year play. Then yeah, guys, so it's just gonna only go up. That 1.8k will turn into 80k. That 80k will turn into 800k. 800k will go into 8 milli, 10 milli. So just think of it like that, guys. So enough with the ramp, Galabam, whatever you want to call it, and let's get on to this. So Bitcoin's going to 1 million and Ethereum's to go to 180,000. This is what was predicted not too long ago, and there's been many more predictions coming out since then. So 2030, which is pretty good. So this was like one of the first bit of news that came out, which was January 2022. So it says, but the news has been out and it's been recirculating again, and some people don't even know this, so I feel sorry for those that don't. There's not really a point of taking out the super charts for the Ethereum, but this video is on Ethereum and how you lot can see what's going on here. So we already tried to draw a chart there, so this is what we're going to be looking out to go. You can see we already broke up here, so because we drew it from here, right? So already broke up, and you can see that this should be like one of our next targets shortly, around January times, God knows. But you can see we're definitely going to go up if you look at the stochastic RSI. Pew! So if it goes up, you can definitely see around 6k, 8k ASAP. As soon as possible, really. This is all going to be coming in. So I want to push this narrative towards you guys. If you guys have your wife or your children or your husband listening, bring them in, tell them, look, whatever, we got this investment opportunity right now, and we can do something very big for us that can get us to Dubai or buy a new house, pay off our mortgage, get us a new car, and we could even start our own business. So if you're looking at it with that sort of mind frame, then you're definitely in good hands. So but that's wild, guys. Like, we was at 4,000, you know what I'm saying? So anyhow, let's go back and draw this stuff. This is as there's literally no point, as I said, because there's not really any highs or lows. So It's not gonna make no sense to draw that. But when you do see 20k is the next stop. You know, it's look at it, guys, man. You can tell that history does repeat itself, and you can see the spikes that this thing gets, and you can see the graph here. 180,000 is right there, and if we draw our little trend line, there it is basically. So we don't have much of a way now until we hit there. Just to look at a long position. We don't trade, we only invest, guys. But there you go. Like that is insane. It's pretty crazy to pull out a number like that. But yeah, guys. So I'm just hoping that you guys are like completely understanding what we're doing here. So yeah, guys. Most of these tools are for my forex profile, but nevertheless, right now we're using a demo account, so that's why we can't use these advanced tools, and you can't see the grids looking crazy and whatnot. But guys, this can definitely hit the 180,000 mark, which is there without questions asked. You know, so total supply is there's that's it, guys. You see the circulating supply, total supply, and then you see the M market cap. And you guys, this was studied, right, with all of these big financial institutions and all of the studies they've been doing all these years, and the best of the best of the best experts, they know where this is going, and where they're showing you. So consciously or subconsciously, you should be picking this up in your head and taking notes and getting your portfolio together. So listen, this ain't financial advice, guys, but there you go.